Cliff Brock, and with my partners Vid and Perry, we offer you short tours of the out-of-the-way places and glimpses into cultures that many travelers might miss. All of us know the big-time sites, the Eiffel Towers and the Big Bens and so forth. So we try to find little-known places that will supplement and enrich your travel experiences. Join us.
One of those enriching places is in Cape Town. It's a neighborhood called Bo Kaap, and it is beautiful. Let's look at it. During our recent visit to Cape Town, we stayed in the Sea Point area up above the city. We had a wonderful 4-bedroom, 3-bath house with a pool, but it meant about a 2.5-kilometer walk to Bo Kaap. But it was beautiful. The flowers were festooning every neighborhood. When we arrived, we were stunned, quite honestly. We were not prepared for the dazzling color. We had two objectives. We wanted to see Bo Kaap, and we wanted to meet Zaid and Zulfa, who run a cooking school in Bo Kaap and who had done an online cooking class for us before we left Florida. We stepped into the street and it was beautiful. We loved the colors, and we looked for a place to have lunch, and we found a wonderful little cafe called the Bo Kaap Deli. It's located on Church Street, and we met our chefs there for a long, leisurely luncheon. We had had difficulty with transfer of payment, so we had to actually pay the chefs for the cooking school when we got to Cape Town. But they were good-natured about it, as was the wonderful staff at the deli. Zayed was quite a character, a lifetime resident of Bo Kaap. He works with his mother and his wife doing tours and doing cooking classes for visitors to the city. We'll let him tell us all about what goes on in Bo Kaap.
And is your wife a Cape Towner too from birth?
She is born in Wellington. Wellington is the winelands of Cape Town. So she's a country girl. Yes, I had to travel far to get her. But she runs the tours now, she runs the classes. I run the walking side of tours. I do the whole walking tour of the area. And then once we take a walk around the area, talk about the history and the culture growing up in the area, then we do the cooking class. And we do the similar things very well.
So this must be a very tightly knit neighborhood?
Very tightly knit community. Everybody knows everybody here. It's like a little village where everyone knows everyone. So my family lives here, aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters. Back in the day, it took a village to raise a kid. And if you were naughty back in the day, you get a spanking on the spot, take it to your mom and dad and get another spanking. Yes, unbelievably busy. And we just took over an area before little verandas and stoops. The elderly sat. They played dominoes and carom and cards and played and chatted. The kids played in the street.
South Africa is going through something that it calls load shedding. So for a couple of hours in the middle of the night, it could be 2 to 4 in the morning and 8 to 10 in the early morning, and then again in the evening, maybe 7 to 9 or something, the electricity goes off. So everybody goes to candles and flashlights, they'd call them torches. This guy had a different kind of solution. Generator to the back of his car so he could charge his electric car. Pretty ingenious.
Bo Kaap is a colorful part of Cape Town, and it's eminently walkable. At no time did I feel any discomfort or any of that sort of thing. True, the country's having some problems with its electricity, and many people say that crime is quite a problem. We didn't experience any of that in Bo Kaap, and really any of that in Cape Town. There were certainly a good police presence in Bo Kaap. Several of the major intersections had police cars parked there, and as you can see here, 2 policemen just kind of keeping an eye on things. Everybody's calm, walking about in the city. It is a colorful, wonderful walking part of the town. Interesting shops, a lot of folk art, good restaurants, warm, friendly people. Whenever we needed help, we felt no compunction about asking people, "Excuse me, can you tell me where whatever it is we were looking for?" Cape Town and Bo Kaap are definitely on our list of good places.
If you enjoyed our little trip to Bo Kaap, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to go with us to other out-of-the-way places in our world. We would enjoy having you travel with us. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe,
And join us at World Travel Plus next time for a hidden corner of the world. Goodbye until next time.